Alright, so now that that is done, I'm gonna be taking apart this tray just to see what's causing the tray not to stay in once it's closed, and I'm gonna be using the other tray as a substitute if we need parts. However, I've learned that most of the Xbox 360 drives aren't interchangeable, so I'm gonna have to be careful of what is damaged and what I'm changing over in each drive. As long as I keep the main board, which is serial locked to the motherboard of the Xbox 360, then I can pretty much change any of the other components without having issues. Now, while taking this apart, I noticed that there were some things rattling in around it, inside of the drive itself. Now, upon investigation, I realized that one of the brackets has come loose or has broken off from the tray itself, and seems to be one of the major issues that is causing the tray not to close and keep opening. So upon investigation, I've noticed that that cannot be repaired, so I'm just gonna be replacing the tray itself and just swap the main boards over to the other tray with a fully functional sliding tray. So upon seeing that it's the sliding tray that's the issue, I decided to swap the lens, the main board, and pretty much every one of the electrical components across one for one. Alright, so now that that is done, I'm gonna reassemble back the final tray, put it together, and reassemble the Xbox and test to see if it's functional.